Can y'all hear me? Music's kind of loud in here. Hold on, let me fix my hair before we get filming. All right, we're good. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna build a skate deck for the shop today. We're going down to non-factory, the skate shop right here. We're gonna get some, what do we need? Hardware and bearings?
Hardware and bearings?
And grip tape.
Grip tape.
I wish we had all the stuff, but we got some of it. So work with what we got. Let's go. Yeah, independent hardware. Got some reds for the bearings. Got the grip. We got the independent hardware, reds, bearings. Shout out non-factory skate shop in Little Tokyo. They hooked it up, you know, good people. Let's go.
All right, guys, we're here live, Boiling Crab, Westwood. Make sure you guys visit this location specifically. They're the ones hosting the running event. We got my guys ready. You guys ready? Are you ready?
I'm gonna roll for the camera, and as soon as the camera stops rolling, I'm gonna walk.
Are you ready? You guys are ready? Yeah. Oh shit, Ed's here, the runner. Damn, serious runners. Serious runners. Alright guys. Whoa, RIF.LA is here. Running with the pack. Come on. Let's go, Shayla. Let's run. Come on, Jay. Pick it up, Jay. Pick it up. Come on, man. Come on, Jay. Come on, Orion. Pick it up, man. Look at Mikey. Let's go. Oh, you got the OG pushing weight. Look at this guy. Jeff. Oh, what up, Jalen?
Now that we got some of what we need, let's get the rest of the board from the bolts. That will work. Chain trucks, independent. Wheels. Alright, Spitfire will do the trick. Most important part, let's see what deck to use. Lamborghini, John? Nah, honestly. Ooh. Black and white logo. Released in 2006 and never again. I missed the one.
Look at this guy. I did first and second place right here. First and second place.
I lapped everyone.
First and second place.
I lapped everyone.
Hey, where you going, for real? Are you going back? What the hell?
Yo.
Oh, hell no. Yes, sir. With the OG pushing weight.
Yo.
Good, brother. Thanks for making it down, man.
Dude, it's crazy,
Appreciate
man.
it.
I haven't run this in a while, so it's good to be back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Good, you guys trekked it all the way over here.
Dude, we have to do it, man.
For sure. Appreciate
Sorry, man.
it.
I'm sweaty.
No, you're good.
First fight.
How's the run, guys?
It was good.
Yeah? How's the run?
That was fantastic.
Yeah?
That was a good day to run, honestly.
Did you guys run?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good, yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We got lost.
Oh, you guys got lost?
Yeah, we did. We ran an extra 6 mile or 6.6.
Damn. How's the run, Jalen?
Riff run. Real low easy.
How was it?
Low easy 3 miles, but a little hill in the beginning.
Yeah, it was really hilly.
That shit hit in the beginning, bro. The hill was like, damn, we're doing this?
Did you cheat?
No.
I think you cheated.
No, me and Brian, we did it.
I saw you in the Uber.
We did it, boys. For the kids.
By the way, I haven't gripped a skateboard or done this in so long. Let's have some fun. Shoot. Get in there. There we go. All crooked. Would you look at that?
Oh, for some reason, I thought the red was supposed to be on the outside.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's intended to be.
Oh, it
But-
is? Okay.
But skaters put it on the inside.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Real skaters.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. And never hold your skateboard like this, by the way. That's crazy. Mall grabbing, gotta hold it like this, eh?
Alright, Mako. Goal is for you to record every staff member here to try and do a kickflip or an ollie.
All right, let's see. We're gonna have a little challenge.
This is like a rare board.
Yeah, it is a very rare board. Dropped an 06 never again. JJ, boss wants us to do a kickflip challenge.
To start with.
No, you can't. You gotta try, bro. That's right, Matt. We gotta get our sauce back, bro. I haven't skated in ages. Oh. So Matt, we're guaranteeing faster shipping these days?
Yeah, we are.
Show them out here. All right. I'll be back. Yo, Marvin.
Yo, what's up, man?
We got a ollie
New shop deck?
new shop deck. We got an ollie challenge. What you got for us?
I got you.
See what you got.
Just another day at RIF.LA.
The halftime fashion show by Matty Ice.
What do we think about this, guys? What do we think about this, chat? Can Matt pull this fucking shit off?
I think I need to bulk up a little bit, just a little bit.
Damn, Matt.
Give me some of my fat and, put it all in the right places.
Do you feel more confident as a man?